What's up? Welcome to Jink Dink. I'm Doug.
And I'm Courtney. So we have some cool wall art projects for you for those who have little to no art skills and those who just want to throw down some awesome designs.
We're all stuck in the house during this COVID time. But you know what it's time for? It's time to roll out those DIY projects.
Roll them out.
What are we doing?
DIY.
And how are we doing it?
Buy on sale.
What are we doing?
DIY.
And how are we doing it?
By ourselves. Can I get a little help with this?
No, you can't get help. It's do it yourself.
Okay.
So if you're going to do something with a little bit more assembly, you're going to need some simple tools such as saws, sanders, drills, measuring tape, and some wood. But if you just want to paint, then that is all you need to get started. You'll also need something to paint on whichever route you go, but you can get that from your local craft store, hardware store. You can find wood that people are getting rid of, scraps that you might have around the house. There's tons of options. Pretty much just find what works for you, what's in your budget, and whatever looks nice for the area you're designing for. So for the first wall decor option here, you have just strictly stenciling. I got some stencils for the what do you call this here? A feather. Shoot. Why do words escape me? Anyway, stencils for lettering and stencils for your design. Next up, we have something that requires a little bit more art skills, but not too much. I got a pre-made canvas. It seems like I am not very good at the English language today. Anyway, so I got this thing that was already made at, I believe it was Michael's, and then I got my stenciling again, put together a little phrase that I wanted on there, and then did a little mountain design. And voila, that is artwork number 2. Number 3, this is for you weekend warriors, ones that are braving the cutting, the drilling, the sawing. Yeah. I guess it's not that complicated, but it does take a little bit more patience and accuracy in measuring, and that is not my strong suit, but thankfully that is a skill that Doug has. So I guess you could say in our case, it took 2 to make a dream come true for this project. Anyways, we had a lot of fun putting this one together. So if you notice, we actually have this particular piece hanging in the back of a lot of our videos. So, Easter egg! So fun fact, this wood was actually for a different DIY project that we decided not to go with. So I guess you just never know when inspiration will spark. So basically after we put the framing together, that took a couple of days, and then we put the smooth surface on top that we were going to put the actual phrasing on, and I printed some lettering that I liked and then cut it out and then traced it with a pencil and then painted over it, so you don't even need to go out and buy stenciling. And if you have great handwriting, even better, you can just freehand it. And there you have it, 3 types of wall decor.
Alright, so if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up.
And if you like our content, hit that subscribe button.
And hit a little notification bell somewhere around there if you want a little bit more of this.
Yes.
So until next time,
Be kind.
stay positive
And
and keep creating.